Ready to start making money with affiliate marketing? DigiStore 24 is a great platform to make money with affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about recording content, creating websites, or investing in paid ads to promote your offers. All you have to do is follow my simple steps, and you can start earning without any cost. If you're just starting, this video is perfect for you. Step 1. To get started, head over to DigiStore 24. It's an affiliate marketing network that works a lot like ClickBank. Sign up by clicking Register now. Fill in your necessary information, including your email address and password. Once logged in, click Marketplace at the top. On the left, you'll see the different offers you can choose from. I believe many people want to enhance their well-being, so I would go with health and fitness. There are many offers related to health, but let's look at the second page to see if there is a better offer that catches our attention. Look at this offer. It's a custom keto diet offer. I'm going to promote this. On the right, you can find the affiliate link for this offer. Click on Promote Now and copy your affiliate link. Next, click on the affiliate support page, where you can find the guidelines and materials associated with your offer. I highly recommend using DigiStore 24 because most of the products offered provide all the resources you need to promote your offers. You don't have to waste time searching for them online. Just scroll down until you find the videos section. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. The easy method I am showing you to promote your offer requires videos, so you can get them from here. You'll find 9 links for 10 videos. It means you have more than 50 videos to promote your offer. Click on every link and download all the videos on your computer. I will upload these videos on YouTube to help generate free traffic to my affiliate link. This is how you can promote your offers and earn free money. Step 2. Now, let's create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Go to Canva, click on the search bar, and type YouTube thumbnail. You will get a lot of templates you can use for free. Choose whichever you like and click on it. Then click Customize this template. Now, you can make the necessary edits to the template. There is already a text that I have to change to the video's title. If you don't know, the title of a video plays a huge role in ranking your videos, especially when you add keywords to it. To create a title that includes keywords, you need to find out which keywords are currently ranking. For that, go to YouTube. Type Keto Diet Plan. It will show a few long-tail keywords that people are mostly searching for. I'm choosing the Keto Diet Plan for weight loss. Once you have decided on the title, you will then have to rename all the videos that you downloaded earlier. Go to File Explorer and rename the video file to Keto Diet Plan for Weight Loss, which is the video's title. Once you finish that, head back to Canva. Click on the text box and enter Keto Diet Plan for Weight Loss. You can change the font type or size, but it looks fine to me, so I won't further edit. What matters is that the thumbnail should look attractive with the video title. Then, just like you rename the videos, you also have to rename this thumbnail to improve SEO optimization. Click on the above untitled and type in Keto Diet Plan for Weight Loss. Then, click Share, select Download, and again select Download to save the thumbnail on your computer. Step 3. When you have the thumbnail ready, you can now upload your video. Go to YouTube. Click on the upload icon at the top and click Select File. Choose the video you want to upload, the one you had previously renamed. It will ask you for a few things. Make sure that the title of your video has capitalized initials so that it is clear and easy for people to read. In the description section, it's important to include your affiliate link along with a brief description that relates to your video. Go back to DigiStore 24 and copy the affiliate link of your offer. Then go to TinyURL, which is a site that shortens URLs. Paste the link and click Shorten URL. It will give you a shortened link. Click on the copy icon. Then head back to YouTube where you left off and click on the description box. Type "Get your custom keto diet plan" here and paste the shortened link. As you can see, I have pasted the affiliate link at the beginning of the description box so people can easily find the link. To add a small description, I will use ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and log into your account. Click on the prompt bar and type, "Can you give me a description for my YouTube video about how my custom keto diet plan is perfect to lose weight?" Make the description 250 words long and add the keyword "keto diet plan for weight loss" a few times, with no chapters. Press enter and it will start writing the description according to the prompt I have given. Once it's written, click the copy icon at the bottom and return to YouTube. Paste the copied description that has included the keyword a few times. It will help YouTube rank the video and make it easier for people to find it. Now, scroll down until you find the tags section. It's important to have tags that can boost your SEO, so I'll use a website to find the most popular tags. Go to Rapid Tags, where you can easily find tags for free. Click Use Tag Generator, and it will direct you to this page. Click on the bar and type your video's title, "Keto Diet Plan for Weight Loss." Press Enter. It will give you the most searched tags you can use. Click Copy and go back to YouTube. In the tag section, paste the copied tags. Then scroll up to find the thumbnail section. Click Upload and choose the thumbnail. As you can see, I have set the title, created the description, added tags, and uploaded the thumbnail for the video. Just click "No, it's not for children." Then scroll down and choose the language English. Click Next until you get to the last page. Choose Public and click Publish to upload the video. The video is now published and live on YouTube. You can repeat the same process to upload more videos. If you stay consistent and upload a few videos every week, you can drive free traffic to your affiliate link and make sales. Make sure to change your channel's name related to your target keyword, such as Keto Diet Station. This is how you can do DigiStore 24 affiliate marketing and start earning online. I have to share one last thing with you. It is optional, but you can do it if you can spend some money. After you have uploaded 5 to 10 videos, you can visit Top4 SMM. It is a site where you can purchase their social media promotional services and boost your YouTube videos. If you create an account and scroll down, they provide different services such as 1,000 YouTube views, 100 likes, or 100 watch hours at a low price. You can buy views for the first 5 to 10 videos to get some traffic and then organically rank higher. But as I said earlier, it is optional and up to you. I really hope you enjoyed our journey today into making money from the comfort of your home. Now don't miss out. There's a video right here on your screen, specially picked for you. It's packed with fresh, effective ideas for multiplying your online income. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Click and see for yourself.